Lobsang and Tenzin, adorned in maroon robes, step through the secluded monastery garden. Snow blankets the ground and a frozen pond mirrors the gray sky.
Compassion, Lobsang, is not merely the act of feeling pity. It is the deep-seated wish for all beings to be free from suffering.
Indeed, Tenzin. And it's through our actions, big or small, that we truly embody compassion.
Their backs to the camera, Lobsang and Tenzin walk onward, their breath visible in the icy air, deep in discussion on compassion's virtues.
Elder brother, what do you think real compassion is?
Compassion, my young brother, is the heart's response to another's pain, a wish to relieve it as if it were your own.
Tenzin shares his insight on the essence of compassion.
In my view, compassion is to love all living beings unconditionally, without differentiation or distance, including our enemies.
But how practical is it, really, to show this compassion towards one's enemies?
Tenzin inhaled deeply, the serenity of the courtyard enveloping him.
Indeed, it's a difficult path. But as our teacher instructs, compassion doesn't mean accepting injustice or forsaking justice. It's about understanding that every life seeks happiness amidst suffering, even our enemies. Such understanding frees us from resentment and anger, allowing us to help others more freely.
A silence engulfs the mountain's expanse. Lobsang breaks the stillness, remembering. They recount aiding a wounded bird amidst these very rocks. Tenzin nods in agreement, his eyes reflecting understanding. He speaks of unity, his voice soft yet clear. In giving, Tenzin finds a deeper tranquility and joy. Wrapping up their hearty conversation, Lobsang and Tenzin stroll along, bathed in warmth and insight. Each step they take is a testament to their enriched understanding of compassion. Sunlight illuminates their youthful faces, instilling a visual harmony with the wisdom they shared. It's a moment where nature's beauty echoes the inner glow of their compassionate souls.